think that is a very expensive repair.
Like that looks like it would cause way more damage than.
To me, that was a sort of a disaster.
That's sort of like one of the nightmares.
RV buying can be horrible, stressful, and cost you tons in time and repairs. But the good news is that experience is optional. I'm going to explain how. We do hundreds of inspections every year at dealerships all across Texas, so our clients can make good buying decisions and avoid RV disasters. But instead of me telling you this, I would love it if you heard it from our clients.
We're Joan and Peter Swartz.
Christopher Ryan, and this is my wife, Jocelyn.
It's Kyle Sanford.
We're looking at an outdoors RV.
Keystone Cougar 25 RDS.
For a Brinkley Model G 3950.
Here's what we actually found during inspection in their words.
Miswired turn signal lights and the cameras.
A GFCI outlet for the washer, it needed to be replaced.
The flooring was starting to sag underneath the slide.
The tear in the roof.
The main slide piston was rubbing against the frame of the camper.
There was a gas leak.
A number of leaks, I think, in the shower and underneath the kitchen sink.
Trailer brakes did not work.
Damaging the frame.
These were all dealership inspections, and with the inspection report in hand, the clients were able to request repairs from the dealerships. Here's how the dealers reacted to those inspection reports.
When we told the dealer about the things that were found in the inspection, they said, no problem.
They were just like, yeah, we'll fix it.
Going through the inspection report, they addressed everything.
After the inspection and the dealer response, the clients had a decision to make. Did they want the RV or not?
We have chosen to purchase the 2023 Keystone Cougar.
No, we did not buy the RV.
We ended up buying the outdoors RV.
After all that, we asked our clients what advice they would give to other RV buyers.
The advice I would give to other RV buyers that might buy an RV is to get an inspection.
I would most definitely recommend Cozy Campers.
We would 100% recommend that you get an RV inspection from Cozy Camper.
Yes, absolutely. I would recommend RV inspection from Cozy Camper.
If you're ready to book an RV inspection in Texas and you haven't done so already, visit cozycamperatx.com to get started.
If y'all need an RV inspection, Cozy Camper, trust me, you won't regret making the call.